Hey guys and gals, me again. Hey, we got the truck fixed. It's running, we think. Haven't taken it on a good cruise yet because my stereo speakers are going bad. So what have I done? Well, here we go. You can see my garage again. I went to, Wally World, and I bought me some cheap Sochi speakers, 5x7 slash 6x8s. Truck takes a 6x8. However, um, 5x7, I didn't even have to add the adapter to it. So these speakers are cut so that they have a little bit of a slot in them. So really quick and easy replacement here. Ta-da! Yeah, see how they're slotted to fit almost anything. So the thing is your Ford comes with pre-clipped wires and stuff. It doesn't have the two. I'll show you when I get it off here. It doesn't have the two poles. So what you have to do is you have to buy an adapter so you can hook it up to the speakers. You have small terminal, large terminal. Back your speaker, small terminal, large terminal. So you clip them in accordingly. Click. Big one can be a pain. And click. And now you're set up to replace your speaker. And I got these, of course, through eBay. They are Metra turbo wires. I guess someone makes them up. Anyway, we're going to show you how to take this door off in about 4 or 5 easy steps with the sun shining really brightly. What I use, 10mm screwdriver, number 2 bit. Take your door loose. I am really sorry about the brightness of this sun. This is Florida. I will attempt to keep a low profile. Put your screws where you can find them later. I'll need that here in a minute. Now you want to take your door, get underneath your plastic, walk your way around, pop these 3, come over here. You can pull it off over here too, see? There's 1, there's 2, these top ones are a pain in the butt. There's 3, set it off to the side. There's your 3 snaps. There's 1 there, 1 there, 1 down here, 3 on the other side too, also. Okay, there's a little pin, plastic pin, usually that's in here, you can just pop out. I lost mine, I don't know where it went to. It's an alignment and a lock pin, but you have 3 other screws here. Phillips. Phillips. And your 10mm. I don't know why they did this. It's kind of silly. And off she comes. Very simple after that. Take it up, bottom, pick it up. Comes right off. These 2 plastic tabs fit down into these 2 holes. So set this off to the side. You don't even have to empty it. And there's your speaker. I don't recall what size this little head it is. It's a 6mm. It's an adapter, 6mm socket. Just get down here and 4 screws. Might be the quickest video I've ever done. Imaginary that. And it's also the crappiest video because of the sun. Wow. The sun is punishing here in this light. Guess I could have put up a blind or something, huh? Well, let's put the speaker ones back here because I'm going to be putting them right back on. Alright, you just take your speaker, and there's your speaker cap plug right here. There's a little button at the back. You press it down, pull your speaker. Ta-da! And this is what I was talking about. It doesn't have the 2 thingies. Not like a regular speaker. You take your pre-clipped speaker, back down here, grab your thing, plug her back in, Now, there are two posts right here. I suppose that could be for other reasons, but this one seems a little wobbly. The other one fit really, really well. But I just leave this post on, so I did on the other one. Find a hole. There's one. Not liking me. Of course the video's gonna go haywire on me, huh? There's the hole way out here. Way out in the sun. Sorry about that again, folks. This is Florida. And it looks to me like it's at its furthest reaches of its little, right at the furthest reaches of the slot, as it were. Wow, the sun is bright. And there you have it. Very quick, very easy. Oh, yeah, I guess I should test it, huh? Just to make sure. Yeah, if it's broke around here, we fix it. And how's that? How's that for timing on a country song? What do you think about that? If it's broke around here, we fix it. Slide it back down, make sure she's right there. Couldn't do better timing. That was on the radio too. Holy bajolies, man. Whatever. Okay, yeah, I have my little thing set on like 4 for torque. Just stop when it slips. Uh-oh, that one's stripped. Okay, well, this one's holding, 2's holding. Looks like it's good to go there. Okay, get it back up here. Line up your sides. Give her some good pops. There we go. Make sure your weather stripping pulls back out so that it's actually outside. Get your 2 little black screws for your window lock. Whoa, that's bright sun. Drop one. I usually start them by finger, but there's one. There's 2. Squeeze and lock. Ta-da! Okay, that's done. Alright, that's pretty quick. Nice little video there. Now we'll do the front one on the next video. Okay, guys and gals, Backyard Bill. Video number 2. We changed the speakers in that door and the other door. And let's start with the passenger side here. It's same principle usually. These have, woo, got hurt. Snap locks that lock them in. There's 2 on this one. There is a couple on this. There's a big one in the front. And I need to paint that. Big one here in the front. There's a slider that slides in here in the back and 2 small clips on the sides. Next thing we're going to want to do is pop this one up, slide it forward. It's got a slide back also. And disconnect these plugs. They got these funky locks on them. You have to press down on these little buttons here. This little button there and this little button here. So you press down on them. Jiggle, wiggle. Slide them out. There you go. Now the other side is going to have a little bit bigger one. Okay, there's a screw here, and there's a screw there. I believe those are the only 2 screws. So we will see. one. Now I'll look at the bottom down here. I think there's some pins on the bottom of the door. I'm not sure. Haven't done this for a while on this model. Nope. And nope. Okay, so that should be a pop-up. Lift it up and set it down type thing. It is. Okay, should have had that locked down. Okay, there's one more. It's your door light that you're going to want to either disconnect or just kind of, I'm sorry, it's a door light. It's like right here. See how tight that is? I mean, I could just pull it out of there and just leave it dangle. You just twist it and there it goes. Set it down out of the way. See all the little slide locks that lock into your door? Over there and over there and up there. Pretty easy. Alright, and look at this. There's different speakers here. No wonder these sounded better. What are these? These are Pioneers. Well, they're old Pioneers. So we got these brand new cheap Sochis. Of course we want to put the Sochis in because they're crappier than Pioneer. So I will keep the Pioneer speakers if these sound like poop. That's why the front sounded so much better than the back, because the OEM ones were the ones in the back. And these are designed almost exactly the same. Almost exactly. So let's see. Let's take this one off of here. Look at this. I'm trying to do a fast video. You know, if I get done with this, I can have some liquid refreshment and just sit out on my back tailgate, because that's what country boys do, right? Of course, I'm not country anymore. I'm a suburban cowboy now. Alright, let's see what we got here. We already have an adapters on this speaker, so I didn't have to buy the second set. They have already wired them in, so thank you, whoever you were. All I have to do is plug the little one into the little one. Oh, I'm sorry. Plug the little one into the little one, and the big one into the big one. And we will put this one back on. New speaker installed. Goodness. Was that easy or what? Thank you, previous owner. However, this speaker doesn't seem to be fitting the same. That's the last one. So, ooh, what have we going here? Oh, come now. What's going on? Give me something. Give me something here. What do we got? Alright, well, we got that same stretch to the very limit of the slides here. So, that's what we have. They're stretched to the very limit. Okay. And okay. And okay. And I did notice they're both almost identical on those speakers, so I took that out. It's working. All right. We got that done. So, there you have it. Let's fix this back the way it goes. Take it in here, push it in, and twist it. Lock it in place, tug on it, make sure it's there. It is. Get your pieces of doorway lined up. I'm going to have to pick it up over top of my lock here. Make sure we're having a difficulty with one of the... Oh, that's why. My cables had fallen down. They were stopping the door from going in. And there we have it. Push, push, push. And the door's on. Let's get going on the reinstall. We're pushing a whole 6 minutes on this door change. Or the speaker change. I'm not liking that. Snap them back into place. Make sure your slider goes underneath the, right there. There, matches up. Push against the side, tap down, bingo. Pull your little door handle out a little bit. Make sure the slide goes here in the little slide area. Push it in. Give her a good little tap. And we'll take it off and paint it later. Alright, here we have line your slide up here at the bottom. Put it in. And the top one's in. And look at that. Boom. 7 minutes. Not all that hard, people. You can do it. I just did it. Alright, this is Backyard Bill. Thanks for watching.